Alright, welcome to the short. This short we are going to look at f, f, f string in Python. So f string, you can just say print and then do like that, and we say f and followed by to string. So f string means everything that you put inside here, it will be executed as concatenate. So we can say, let's start with our word. Let's say we want to get this index of max salary. So we can say print, like we have done severally. Just say print clean data, then we say f. But let's start f first, that we can say what do we want, which string do we want. We want the string of the index of highest credit manager, and you can say colon, and here you can continue and say, let me see where we were dealing with image, which is max. You can start just here to there, and we can bring it here.